Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can full screen to your Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is very speedy browser nowadays and very improved. It's not like Internet Explorer anymore. We love Microsoft Edge now, and today I am going to show you how you can enter full screen mode in your Microsoft Edge browser. So let me open my Microsoft Edge browser first. This is the Microsoft Edge browser. Let me open it. So right now I am in nationalgeographic.com, and if I want to enter in full screen mode, I need to go this three dot. I need to click on this, and then here I can see new tab, new window, new in private window, zoom, favorite, collection, history, download, apps, extension, performance. Okay, there is many option menu, but we need to go this zoom and you are in full screen mode. We are in Microsoft Edge full screen mode. So how you can out from this full screen? You just go move your cursor here, and here you can see this icon. You just click on it and you out from your full screen mode. This is so easy. I hope this video will help you, and from now you can do it also. Thank you for watching my video.